In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells in Google Sheets so they display zeros when empty. This is a handy trick that can keep your spreadsheets looking tidy and consistent, especially if you're dealing with rows of numerical data. Let's begin by opening your Google browser. Once you're there, look at the top right corner for the square icon that represents Google Apps. It looks like a grid, and clicking it will bring down a menu of apps. What you want to do here is select Google Sheets. This app is where all your spreadsheet magic happens. Now you're inside Google Sheets. The next step is to either open a new spreadsheet or select an existing one that you want to work on. Remember that you can do this by simply clicking on the spreadsheet's title or by choosing from recent files if you've worked on one not too long ago. Once your spreadsheet is open, you'll see your data laid out in the familiar grid of rows and columns. Next, let's highlight the specific range of cells where you want this formatting to apply. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells. Of course, if you're looking to apply this to an entire column or row, simply click on the letter or number that represents that column or row. This will help ensure that all the data in those cells gets formatted uniformly. With your cells selected, head over to the toolbar at the top and click on the Format menu. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you'll see several options related to formatting cell contents. You'll want to look for the number option and then scroll down until you find Custom Number Format. This is where the magic happens. Now, in the field that pops up, type in 5 zeros. It might seem odd at first to just type zeros, but what this does is set a custom format for displaying numbers, ensuring that even if a cell is empty, it will show as a series of zeros, keeping everything nice and consistent. Once you've typed in those zeros, look for the Apply button and give it a click. This will apply your custom number format to the selected cells. Instantly, any empty cells in the highlighted range will now display zeros instead of a blank space. And that's it, you've successfully formatted your Google Sheets cells to display zeros when they're empty. This little tip can not only make your data look cleaner, but can also help in situations where visual consistency is important, such as in reports or presentations. Keep practicing and exploring Google Sheets, and you'll find even more ways to make your data management more effective. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips.